This is Devo with the vlogs. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Give me something.
Okay, so we're back. Let me move a picture. What's the date? Oh, I ain't gonna say the date. Don't say the date. Hey, Khalil, where we at, Khalil? Khalil, where we at? It's packed this time compared to last time. I don't know. Where did we park last time? Was it down there? I think it was down that way. Bree, what's on the plan, Bree?
They're playing Rock by Will by Michael Jackson again, the first song.
I gotta get in front of you.
A few moments later.
Cleo, you want to do it again? Where you at, Cleo? Hey. Oh, yeah. Cleo got taller, I think, since last time. But I need you to go to move there this time since you're doing it last time. I hope not.
Wait, we want to get a picture. Please, fine.
If you guys already seen my first album in the video, so just go see that one.
It's true, but I know y'all ready to see me on the camera.
Go look at that one, then come back to this one and see what's changed. I know a lot of rides open up now. 2023 edition this time.
Fried peanut butter and jelly.
Fried Oreos, Bree. You ain't made your fried Oreos in a minute, Bree. Peanut butter and jelly. Let's try a funnel cake. But you can get a rental, Bree. $15. You can get a strollers, double strollers, wagon, wheelchairs, electric scooters for $50 a day, Bree. You want to get that? Who? Oh.
I'm walking down the street.
What? You probably gotta pay extra for that. Mama, you hot already?
No, not yet. Thank the Lord. The Lord hold the sun back for now.
You probably gotta pay for that. The Vault Maze, Laser Maze Challenge. Comment down below if you have to pay for that. It's open now. That was your last time, wasn't it? They got snow cones. Mama, going to, Mama, is that free? Can't enter back in the chair this year. Where you finna go on Splash Express? Where you finna get on? They got a playhouse? I didn't know that. Huh? They got a playhouse. Did you see that last time? I don't know what that is. Come on, where? Che, where y'all going?
We're going Rampage.
Ain't going there yet.
No, we didn't figure out the restaurant because these are the little kids out here.
Oh.
What a mouse track is.
What is that called? Splash Adventure? What is splashing at? Huh? I'm gonna be throwing up. What's that ride called? The Scrambler? I'm not getting that ride. But you can get on that Scrambler ride. I'm not doing it. What Cheddar Chase said, the ride that wasn't open last time. Well, the teacup, did we get on the teacup last time?
No, it wasn't open last time.
What is the country fair? Oh, what that is? You gotta walk this way, I think. We got the drink station on. It's gonna get West Coast game this time. You guys, we're trying to get on the Cheddar Chase ride. Excuse the music. Hope I don't get copyrighted. We're trying to get on the Cheddar Chase ride. Since it wasn't open last time, we're gonna get on all the rides that wasn't open last time first. Before it gets too busy, because it's already busy now and it's just open. So stay tuned. Are you guys going to any vacations this year? Alabama Adventure. Are you going to try this place out? Comment down below. Alabama Splash Adventure.
Baby, the lady that was talking about son. What you talking about, man?
We better get on the Cheddar Chase because, like I said, when it opened last time, it opened right after we left. So we better get on it straight away. You got to walk up these hills, these mountains and hills to get up here though. That's why nobody trying to get up here because they get up here now while it's not no sun out. And it's not that high, because all these hills you have to go up to. It's way up there. Like, really. We already had to walk up one hill. And I walked up another one. But you gonna go on this ride again, Bree? This Galilean ride?
Remember if Mama, the ride in Florida, they had people tracks in it. You see.
We're gonna see. And then I said I cannot record because I've seen people on YouTube recording all types of stuff on here at this place with actual cameras, professional cameras. So we're gonna see. Okay, guys, this is what Cheddar Chase looks like. Is there a line? They have seats, two little seats. You get tired of standing and walking. Huh? There's Rampage right beside it. You gotta walk up hills to get to both.
Oh my God, we got our glasses on. I don't know what to call them.
I'm not sure. I can't even get nothing. It's so high up.
Hold on.
Oh, no.
No, I'm not doing it.
Meanwhile.
Okay, in that ride you can't record hard because the seat is too high up for like to actually record. But it's a lot of bumps and curves. It's sharp and hard. So you better get your knees scratched and bent up. Them sharp brakes.
My heart is already racing from that little ride. I can't get on that thing. Hey, Kalila.
They run a teacup ride, I don't know what's called. Angie ain't trying to spin, she on her phone. Kalita, spin your thing. I don't want to spin.
Whoa. Hold on. It's bad.
Why? Man? You watch it online, I guess. So you ready to get on this Kalita? You ain't gonna throw up, bitch. I know. Why don't you turn around? Oh.
Eventually.
Everybody go on Rampage. Nothing new, nothing special. Been here for 25 some years. It's been here for 25 some years. Everybody from see me. I want to lose my glasses on my phone. You got the glasses on, Trey? Brianna, she got her glasses on.
You gonna record it?
Glasses might fly off, you guys. No, I'm good. I told you. As soon as I...
moments later.
Hey you guys, so we got on the Rampage ride. Again, me and B got on there twice. And got on there one time, but I think she got sick. She got off so quick. But yeah, the Cheddar Chase ride, I'm glad we got on when we did because they said that somebody got stuck on it right after we got off of it. So I'm glad we got on when we did, and I just got to try it out. It's a new ride, the Cheddar Chase ride. But I'm ready to see the water park ride, you guys. The slide that was closed last time we came, if they do them this time, I'm going to go see it.
It's a mouth bag.
So in the water park side, there's Coco Island. That's bad. I didn't go last time, so like we're doing too much. That tree over here with the bag on. Raise the river. We got lockers over here, you guys. What is it called? Kahuna Land? Mom finna get in the water. Trayvon's about to get the footage for some plans.
Mama right there. Mama playing that one. Right here.
They got Mama right here.
There's someone like right here.
Right here, Mama. Let's go.
You know that big black guy over there, right? We put down the 2 feet over, and the water got about, and then I was like, half, and then the black guy said, "You ain't gonna drown, it's nothing but 2 feet." I said, "Okay." You been at that woman and we got about 4 foot, just stand up, you ain't gonna drown.
You ain't happy, sister?
What time is it?
They're about to leave. About to go.
Okay.
Kalila, you ready? I can't.
The whole time you didn't get me. I can't believe it.